Today we are going to shoot in a very different place. It's an unusual place, and I will cut. Alright, welcome guys, this is your Z back again with another vlog, and today I will be taking to you to a different place. It's an unusual restaurant which you will not find it very easily, and I found out one of my friends suggested actually to visit this restaurant and make a vlog, and you will know what it is on my next clip. See you. Okay, so I'm going to take you in. What's special about this restaurant? So just a small hint, what is the vlog going to be today? Take a look at this. Only sign language, find it, follow it. So after 30 minutes of wait time, we finally got the table here, and this place looks really nice, and no foreign speaks here apart from the customers, obviously. Everybody here speaks only the sign language. It's really amazing to see such kind of places here in Bangalore, and I would definitely salute the owner and the management of this restaurant. It's really very appreciable. I will catch you with the next one. Okay. So as you know, we are here at Eco's. This restaurant is served by physically challenged persons. I'm going to show you how do we order and how do we request for order. They have given a menu, and also they have given a notepad where we have to write down the codes. So I will show you how the order is made. So this is how you order the food here. Every dish has a special code number like T1, T2, and for pastas they have P1, P2, P3, P4. So every dish has a special and a different code number. So I will have to write down the code number on the notepad they have given. Let me begin with my name first, and then my contact number 8310565. Should I not? That's okay. So let me write down the code number now for the dish I want. So I'm ordering cheese garlic bread, which has the code H1, and then let me order cheese garlic bread H2 of 1 quantity. Let me find out what else they have. Pastas? No. Pizzeria? No. Breakfast? No. Lunch? No. Biryani? No. Waffles? Yes, I like waffles. Let me order brownie. So the code for the brownie is F3, 1 quantity. I think I'll just have this for now. So this is how you order the food, guys. So once we finish this order, once the code is given on this code paper, we will have to just ring this bell. And this moment it says press the bell, and we will bring there to serve you. So I'm just going to ring the bell. Let me take you through the ambience of this restaurant. It looks very good. So I just wanted to show every one of you how the restaurant looks inside while I wait for my food. Looks very brilliant, the interior, and the idea they have used behind this interior is really appreciable. They have used all the food making vessels from the idli makers and plates and some bowls. It's really amazing and a very good idea behind this design of this restaurant. And then I found this wooden make which caught my eyes. Really looks fantastic. It's not that great, but the idea they have used behind making this is it is simple but looks very fantastic with the bulbs hanging around. I really love this interior. So he's saying that to visit our restaurant, the place is very good, the food is very tasty, and he's welcoming everyone here. And